Make my way back to the Hilco.
All right, I'll say I made the call. Yeah.
Now I plan on getting enough from the Varroa to I already use Front Pro, but I'll be using some of this Varroa here in a few months, or actually in about a month. You see it lasts up to 18 weeks. You get started with that in the early part of the season, February. That's 2.5. How many months is that? That's quite a bit. 4.5. Like suddenly my math is leaving me here, but 20 weeks would be 5 months, so it's about 4.5 months. So I plan on ordering quite a bit of this, or taking some home. Uh, 24 pack for $2.16. If it lasts for 4 months, it's worth it. So I've been here 5 minutes already and seeing everything I want to spend my money on.
How are you? Good to meet you.
Man Lake. So we lost our Man Lake in Marshall, Texas, which is 20 minutes from my house, or 30 minutes. I hate that, but it's a good company, I guess. Can't blame them for doing that. Mr. Binnie, how you doing? Good to see you. He sat next to me at a conference in Louisiana, and I thought I was sitting next to Eddie Van Halen. It kind of surprised me. He just kind of walked in, and I felt like a kid. He's a super nice guy.